to unveil our AI kitchen revolution at IFA's Showstoppers stage. Today, we welcome over 1,000 global media and over 200,000 partners. This isn't just a product launch, but a strategic dialogue between China's smart ecosystem and the world. Wan AIChef not only masters world cuisines, but delivers scientifically personalized nutrition through AI algorithms. With multimodal sensing and adaptive algorithms, we are demonstrating China's precision manufacturing at its finest.